Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing a noise, it's the washing machine that's making that noise. So yeah, but look at my head. I got knotless braids for the first time and I'm so happy. It looks so good on me. She did a good job, like and don't mind my freaking dark spots. But today I'm going to be doing a wig video for you guys because I have my first real client. No friends, no practice, no nothing. It's my first client and I don't know, I'm hoping to do something cute for her. She sent me the wig. I'm just going to style it basically and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm about to style her wig and then because tomorrow she's coming for the install and I want the wig to be like ready and I'm just going to put on her head or whatever. So yeah, let's get started. This is the wig. It's not long, it's kind of short, whatever. Now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm combing the hair going to the back just so I can get all the little baby hair that was sticking up. And as you can see, the wig is already plucked and bleached. And I'm using my hair wax just to make everything stick down. And this is how I get my wigs to be flat, honey. Look at this. Ooh. By the way, this hair is from Nadula hair. It's really soft and pretty. Right here I'm just parting it to do my cramps and stuff. And this crimper is from Amazon. I just felt like the hair needed to spice up a little bit, so I was like, I should do some cramp. And that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, this is what I'll be doing to the whole wig. So just keep watching. And right, I was already loving it. She told me, oh, if it's too short, I can't do it. I'll just do straight. And I was like, no, baby, no. I get you right. And I did. And right here, I spray some Got To Be Free Spray just to hold the curls because she's going to come the next day. And I want them to stay fresh and neat. And yeah, right here I finished and I'm just fixing everything. Like, look at this. And this is how the hair was looking after everything. And this was after I cut her lace. I was so upset I forgot to record like when I started doing her hair to show you how I did like the bowl cap method and everything else. But I was like, it's okay. And right here I'm just doing her baby hair. My lighting is all bad here because my other light wasn't turned on, but it is just me doing the baby hair. I know I'm kind of like doing the most there, but it's like y'all know how I get when it comes to baby hair. Like I love doing baby hair and I want them to look cute, okay? See? Now I turn on the light and it looks way, way better. Right here I'm just fixing her up a little bit. I was already loving the hair, you guys. It looks so nice. I had to ask her if she liked it because what? I gotta ask. And right here I'm just putting on some makeup on her part. And then she was done. This is how the back looks. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm just gonna put a clip of her right here. It's the baby hairs for me. It's the waves for me. Everything looks so perfect. Like, look at this. Can you tell me where the lace is? Because I can't see it. I can't see it. Look at this. It's giving very much car vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.